Hello friends, Idaho Garden Girl here. It is that time of year and we are getting frost tonight. It's October 13th and it's gonna freeze and I don't have all the tomatoes picked, so I've got to get out there and get busy. Okay, here's a last look at the garden. We're supposed to have a freeze tonight, a hard freeze, starting at 3 a.m. You can see that the pumpkins, the winter squash has already died back. They normally do that. We had a huge wind a couple days ago, and I'll just show you what happened. It blew the cucumber frames, tilted them like that, and it blew over quite a few tomato plants. Now this has happened in previous years. We get a real big wind and it just like topples them. And sometimes it actually breaks the stake. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the cherry tomatoes, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants down. Looks like hard to tell whether the stakes are just pulled out or whether they're broken. That one looks like it just is tipped over. Oh, that one broke right there. You can see. Makes me think that maybe these others are broken. No, that one's not. Oh my, that one is. Look at that. Just broke that stake right at the base. Broke this stake. Holy moly. Well, I better get busy. I've got a lot of tomatoes to harvest.